Good morning. Today we are going to learn vowels and consonant. How many letters are there in alphabets? Yes, there are 26 letters in an alphabet. Shall we recall? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we are going to learn what are the vowels. Okay. See, I have make a circle to some of the letters. Can you find? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. 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 These are vowels. These are vowel letters. See? Say it again. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Shall we sound the vowels? Yes. See the picture? Apple. A for apple, right? And how to sound A? Apple. Next, what is this? E is for egg. Egg. Igloo. Orange. Umbrella. What is the sound of A, E, A. We have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Vowel has 2 sounds, short sound and long sound. Today we are going to learn short sounded vowels. And now we are going to blend vowels and consonant and read our letters. And we are going to sound 2 letters. Vowel and consonant. We are going to blend means nothing but we are going to mix the letters. These are the vowels and these are the consonant. I have taken some of the consonant. B, B, D, G, T, P, ball, D, dog, G, grapes, T, tap, mango, N, nest, P, pen. First, let me take first vowel A. It sounds A. And consonant B. A, ba, up. A, ba, up. A, da, ad. A, da, ad. A, ga, ag. A, ta, at. A, am. A, an. A, pa, up. Next, we'll pass on to second vowel letter, that is E. E letter sound A. Egg. Now we are going to blend vowel and consonant. A, ba, eb. A, ba, eb. A, da, ed. A, ga, egg. A, ta, et. A, m. A, n. A, pa, ep. Next, E. Igloo. We are going to blend vowel and consonant. Ib. Id. Ig. It. Im. In. Ip. Next, what is the fourth vowel? O. It sound A. Ba, ob. Da, odd. Ga, og. Ta, odd. Arm. On. Pa, op. Next, the last one, last short vowel, U. Umbrella. We are going to blend vowel and consonant. U sound ba. Ba, ob. Da, odd. Ga, og. Ta, odd. Un. Pa, up. So children, we have learned how to blend vowel and consonant. We have learned how to blend vowel and consonant and make a two-letter sound. Next class, we will see how to blend consonant, vowel and consonant. We can learn three-letter words. So please kindly share this video, comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.